Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to create a consistent character for a storybook with Leonardo AI. First of all, we want to open any browser. Once the browser is open in front of you, here we will just log into the Leonardo AI. Once you are logged into Leonardo AI, here we will see how we can create a consistent character for a storybook. If you scroll down right here, you can see there are a lot of generations generated by Leonardo AI as samples. If you scroll down more, right here, you can see a lot of generated images. But we want to create a consistent character for our storybook. For this, you will see a button of image generation at the left bottom of your laptop screen. Click on that button. After clicking, a section will open in front of you. Once the image generation section is open in front of you, here you can see first of all a prompt in which we can write anything, and then a lot of images we can generate. If you go to the left corner of your laptop screen, you can see there is a token, and I have a lot of tokens to generate images from Leonardo AI. If you go to the below of that section, you can see the section of the number of images available right here. We can easily select the images which we have to create. I can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, we can select any one from this. If you scroll down, then you will see the section of image dimensions in which you can easily set the dimension of your generated images. You can select it before the generation. If you go to the below of that, you can see you can easily resize your image size manually. I think I disturbed it, so I will click 512 by 24 again and then scroll down a bit. At the last, you will see a button of Reset to Default. After clicking that, your whole system of AI image generation will be reset. That's a tour of the settings of AI image generation session. Let's go to the prompt to generate beautiful images. Go to the top of your laptop screen and then we will write here in a prompt, now I am writing, James is a beautiful boy, and he is studying in a room at a table. After writing that, go to the below, and you will see this option. Click on the arrow. After clicking, a lot of options will appear in front of you. Here, you can select any model for your generation, but I will personally select Leonardo Vision Excel. After selecting this, scroll up right here. After that, click on the Generate button. After clicking, the generation process will begin. I think it will take 2 to 3 minutes. It can take up to 3 minutes if your internet connection is not good. If your internet connection is good, it will take 10 to 20 seconds to generate. There you go. Your images have been generated, and you can see this is according to your prompt. So, let's go to the upper prompt of your laptop screen and try to create a consistent character for our storybook. So, I am writing, James is a beautiful boy, and he is playing in a room. I have just changed the prompt from the last. In the first round, he was just sitting in a room, and now he is playing. Just click on the Generate button. After clicking, it will take 20 to 30 seconds. There you go. Your images have been generated, and you can see James is playing in a room with his toys. If you download any video from the last generation and that generation, hover your cursor to the image, and then you will see a download button right here. This is a button for downloading that image. Click on it. After clicking, a pop-up will be shown from the top right corner of your laptop, saying that your Can Excel image has been downloaded and saved in your Downloads section of your PC. That's the way to create a consistent character in Leonardo AI for a storybook.